Let's talk about rain chances tonight. Things like winding down in this area, but still see some green on the map out there.
Yesterday and today, daytime heating showers and thunderstorms from this stalled front brought several inches and even some hail and severe weather. We're seeing through the remainder of the next, let's say, 3 hours. Anything that's on the radar right now will wrap up. But at this time, some pockets of moderate showers in Bastrop, Lee County, even Llano and Mason, some lightning being detected there. But most of the action is now south of the KXAN viewing area near I-10 and that flash flood warning that we mentioned out in Gillespie till 7:15. Mason and Llano, you see numerous lightning strikes. This little cluster of storms way out towards St. Angelo could travel further south, so I'll watch that as well. But again, this is going to be more of a drying trend once we progress overnight and the sun sets. Dripping Springs, Allen Medical Emergency Room camera shows dark clouds on the horizon. There's the HEB in the distance. Your evening planner, 30% rain chance at 7, dropping down to 10% by 11. Temperatures from the 90s to the 80s. Those who saw rain are in the 70s. Those who didn't in the 90s. A big temperature distribution that I'll show you in just a second. Clouds and radar confirms that we'll go from a few pockets of scattered showers to mostly overcast past midnight into your early Sunday morning. So kicking off tomorrow morning, I have 76 in Austin, 75 in Georgetown, 75 in Lockhart, 72 out in Llano. By the afternoon, it's 90s and triple digits, 100 in Bastrop, 99 in Austin. Today's high was 99. I have the same thing tomorrow, 100 in San Marcos. Here's your day planner. We'll be dry for the most part, very minimal possibility of a brief daytime heating shower. I think about 99% of us will be rain-free to close out your weekend. So here's how it looks. Here's first Sunday through the evening hours. I mean, that's it. More sun than anything. And then overnight, Sunday to Monday, watch what happens. Piece of energy is going to move in southeast from our northwest. Could deliver some thunderstorms and localized flooding overnight into your Monday morning. And then Monday throughout the day, mostly dry. By the afternoon, our eastern counties could get clipped with a little bit of some light to moderate rain and some shower thunderstorms. So rain chance, a few more rounds on the way before this high pressure really takes over. So Sunday, tomorrow, 10%. Monday, you're up to around 30%. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into next week, we're going to see a high pressure continue to work further east. That will dry us out and warm us up. Drier air is easier to cool down. It's also easier to warm. So you look at some of these highs. I have 100 degrees toward the later half of the work week. Upper 90s. We've had 7 triple-digit days here. We averaged 29 on the year. Most of those happening late July and early August here. And in my forecast moving into Monday, you'll see just a few more pockets of light rain continue. But this is going to be a drying trend, seasonable, climatologically speaking, expected lows in the 70s, highs in the 90s, and a few hundreds here and there. You factor in the heat indices, y'all. It's going to feel like 105 to 107, but no heat alerts at this time. Keep an eye on the sky here. We'll have one final check of your forecast in just a bit.